Top 5 proper sports cars that will run forever with basic maintenance. Number 5. 1994 Acura NSX. The 1994 Acura NSX is a standout in reliability, scoring a perfect 10/10 rating from one owner. Annual maintenance costs are estimated at $354. This iconic car revolutionized the supercar industry when it was introduced in 1990 by Honda, changing the game for luxury vehicles. While Ferrari and Lamborghini reigned supreme, the NSX proved that Honda could compete with the best in the business. Number 4. 1996 Toyota Supra. Discover the iconic Toyota Supra, initially designed as a high-performance upgrade to the Celica in 1978. With its legendary appearance in the Fast and Furious series and equipped with the powerful 2JZ GTE engine, the Mark IV Supra is a force to be reckoned with. Boasting 220 horsepower and 210 pounds-foot of torque in its natural state, this machine is a powerhouse on its own. Renowned for its reliability, owners consistently rate it highly. Despite some concerns about running costs, maintenance for the Supra averages at $561 yearly and $4,950 over a decade, making it one of the most cost-effective cars to maintain globally. Number 3. 2013 Subaru BRZ. Experience pure driving joy with the Subaru BRZ. This sleek sports car packs a 2.0-liter engine, delivering 200 horses on demand. With its manual transmission and sporty design, the BRZ is a favorite among enthusiasts. Built with Toyota reliability, the BRZ is known for its dependable performance. Owners rave about its low running costs, rating it highly for affordability. However, be prepared for higher repair costs compared to other models like the Mazda MX-5 Miata and Honda S2000. According to data from RepairPal and Caregy, annual maintenance for the BRZ is estimated at $672, totaling around $6,393 over 10 years. Number 2. 2005 Honda S2000. The Honda S2000. A timeless icon in the world of sports cars. With a powerful 2.2-liter engine reaching 240 horsepower and a high revving capability, this roadster is sure to make heads turn. Featured in Fast and Furious, its design has become a classic. Owners rave about its reliability, with a perfect rating from CarSurvey reviewers. While running costs may vary, RepairPal shows it's affordable to maintain at just $404 annually. Drive the legend that is the Honda S2000 today. Number 1. 2000 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Experience the iconic Honda S2000, a legendary sports car known for its timeless design and high performance. With a 2.2-liter i4 engine producing 240 horsepower, this roadster is a true powerhouse that can rev up to 7,800 RPM. Owners rave about its reliability, with perfect ratings from CarSurvey reviewers. While running costs may vary, RepairPal data shows that maintaining this Japanese legend is surprisingly affordable at just $404 annually. Don't miss out on owning a piece of automotive history. The Honda S2000 is not just about powerful performances and economical maintenance costs, it also stands out for its exquisite handling and driving dynamics. Thanks to its lightweight design and rear-wheel drive setup, the S2000 offers an unparalleled driving experience that is both thrilling and precise. The electrically powered convertible top adds an extra layer of enjoyment, allowing drivers to effortlessly switch between cozy coupe comfort and exhilarating open-air freedom. This makes it the perfect choice for both spirited weekend drives and relaxed scenic journeys. Its lasting appeal and cult following among car enthusiasts ensure that the S2000 remains a highly sought-after model in the used car market. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.